Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum viewers. Welcome to my channel, A Stunning Handwork Idea. A Stunning Handwork Idea is a great channel of cross stitches and embroidery. Today we have brought for you very beautiful birds, cross stitch and embroidery designs, very beautiful patterns. I believe that you like this video very much. Watch the full video and get beautiful idea from this video. Every clip is a very beautiful, amazing and colorful. If you are watching first time this beautiful channel and you haven't subscribed yet this beautiful channel, Stunning Handwork Idea, subscribe this beautiful channel because we bring every day for you latest, impressive, countable ideas of cross stitches hand embroidery. Video is able to like and share very beautiful embroidery, attractive countable pattern. Don't forget to like and share this beautiful video. We try to bring every day for you adorable, colorful cross stitch hand embroidery designs. Very beautiful birds cross stitch hand embroidery you are watching on Stunning Handwork Idea channel. If you like any pattern in this video you want to make, you need pattern, just take a screenshot of your favorite clip. After taking a screenshot, zoom out your screen, count stitches and make yourself beautiful design. If this idea is difficult, then print out of your screenshot. After printing out pattern in your hand, you can make easily your favorite design. This idea is a very important to make cross stitches hand embroidered design. Thank you so much for watching this video. Thanks a lot for your beautiful comment. Be happy forever. Take care of yourself and your family. God bless you and Allah Hafiz.